Welcome to Vocab Mania Video 2 by Class English. We discuss some confusing word today.
Okay, ma'am.
How is essay different from essay?
I have never heard of essay, but I have written essays in my school exam.
Yes, essay means a piece of composition and essay means attempt or testing the purity of metals.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me, what do you mean by already and already?
This I know, ma'am. Already means already and already means earlier.
That's absolutely correct. Now tell me, the how is opposite different from opposite?
Ma'am, I know the meaning of opposite but not apposite. Opposite means contrary.
Yes, correct. Opposite means contrary and apposite means proper. It's time to do quick revision of what we have learned today.
Sure, ma'am, let me repeat. Essay means a piece of composition. And essay means attempt or testing purity of metals. Already means already. And already means earlier. Opposite means contrary. And apposite means proper.
Do like and subscribe our channel for more such videos and hit that bell icon for notifications.